We're here to celebrate not just the 60th anniversary of Guinness World Records, but the 10th Guinness World Records Day. It's a special milestone for us, so we thought we'd do something very special. And we've united for the very first time the world's tallest living man and the world's shortest living man. So Chandra Dangi from Nepal, who's 21.5 inches, meets Sultan Kosen, who's 8'3". They never met before, and it's quite a momentous occasion for us.
One record that always features is for the world's tallest man. By the age of 10, Sultan Kosen was 6 foot tall. He's now 8'3". Sultan is from a rural village in Turkey where he lives on a farm with his family, who are all normal height.
Are we ready to meet the world's tallest man?
He's 29 and has only just stopped growing.
Hello. How are you?
How did people react to your hands when you were younger?
Onlar genç yaşındayken çok uzun olduğum için yani insanlar bana ters tavırlar veriyordu yani benimle alay ediyorlardı, bana gülüyorlardı yani bundan dolayı benim çok zoruma gidiyordu.
What would your advice be to children that are taller than their friends?
Ben de bunu söylemek istiyorum yani bir insan çok uzun benim gibi uzun olsa veya biri çok şişman olsa veya biri ne bileyim farklı insanlar olsa.
Sultan's growth is the result of a tumor which made his pituitary gland produce excessive amounts of growth hormone.
Cheese, 2, 3, go! Yeah!
Doctors in America heard about him when he became the Guinness World Record holder and offered him free pioneering surgery, which finally stopped him growing and saved his life.
I think he seems like a very nice person, and his advice about the children being tall and not to make fun, I think that was actually really good advice. I'm 5'2", normally taller than everyone else, and I sometimes get mistaken as being 12 years old. Sometimes I'm 11.
Yani biraz daha iyiyim yani artık boyum da durdu uzaması. Bundan dolayı çok mutluyum ve Guinness Rekorlar kitabında yani dünyanın en uzun adamı olarak çok mutluyum ben. Hayatım yani daha önce evimden çıkamıyordum, sürekli odamdaydım. Guinness Rekorlar kitabına girdim artık yani çok merak ettim, Avrupa ülkesini gezdim yani bundan dolayı yani kendimden gurur duyuyorum.
In the 3 years since receiving his record, Sultan's newfound fame and fortune have turned his life around. He has his own flat in Ankara, Turkey's capital city, and makes public appearances around the world.
Türkiye'de yani bana göre biraz tepkileri farklı yani bu Avrupa'daki gibi değil. Avrupa'da hep sıcakkanlı, hep duyarlı bir şekilde bana yaklaşıyorlar ama ne yazık ki ülkemde bunu göremiyorum.
What would you like from life? What's the thing that you would like most?
Hayalim, en büyük hayalim yani sağlıktan sonra bir yuva kurmayı istiyorum yani 2 tane çocuğum da olmasını, cıvıl bir ailem olmasını istiyorum.
And have you ever been in love?
Aşık oldum. Aşık oldum, o bana özel kalsın.